This week of Wagon Train's been so fun.
Wagon Train has been one of the most amazing weeks of my life.
For all have missed the mark. Because God doesn't leave us there, but He sends Jesus Christ.
I love the rock rappelling and archery.
God is calling us to trust in Him and His plan and in His strength.
God displays His great love for us that even while we were still in our sin, all have sinned, fallen short of the glory of God. We deserved death, but God loved us in such a way that He would give His only Son so that His Son, Jesus, might bear our sins and we might become the righteousness of God. All is asked of us is that we believe in the Son.
Something that I've learned about Jesus is that He's died on the cross for our sins. Now I feel like I'm following Him more and just getting to know Him better. This is the gospel at play.